Hello friends, my name is Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic that how we can use the Windows in a very easy to manner. So today we'll see this topic in detail. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. Friend, first of all, see this screen. This is the desktop screen. Whenever the Windows loaded on the computer, so first screen which shows on the computer, that is the screen that is called as the desktop. So this is the desktop screen. Now on the desktop there are many icons are available, like my computer, network, recycle bins. So this is the icon, this is the icon, this one. So these are the icons which is called as icon. We call them as icon to represent the symbol or graphical representation of a software. Now here on the Windows friend, this is the recycle bin icon. When we click on the recycle bin, you can see like this. Uh, you can see from here, this is the recycle bin. Whenever friend we delete any file from the system, it will goes into the recycle bin. So just simple recycle bin is the, you can say, the container that whenever we delete any file, it will goes from here. Like if I just like that, if I click here and click delete, okay, so this file will goes into the recycle bin. Okay, so this is called as a recycle bin option. Then friend, we can make the shortcut icon as well. This is the icon this is the software icon, and we can make shortcut icons as well. This is the shortcut icon. If you just see from here, this is the shortcut icon. How we can make the shortcut icon? Friend, if we just click on the icon, and here you can see the create shortcut key. Okay, so in that way we can make the shortcut like that. Okay, so you can see this is the shortcut icon we can create like that. um, Friend, this is the Internet Explorer. You can see this is the browser of Internet Explorer. If I just click here, so it will open like that. Okay, and if I type something like any address here, so the website will be open like here. So this is the browser of Internet Explorer. When you ever you click, double click on that, it will open. So for example, if I want to open the Gmail site, for example, so I just type here gmail.com. In that way you see that it is opening. So whatever the page you want to open, you just need to know the address of that and you can open it. So see, the Gmail site has been opened like that. Similarly friend, this is the using of Internet Explorer. You can also use the other options as well. This is the Chrome browser as well. Some other softwares like Mozilla Firefox, this is also available. This is very well known. So this is called as browsers. The other option very important is the My Computer option. My Computer is simply tells you about the system knowledge about you. If when I click on the My Computer option, it will open like that. You can see the C drive, D drive, E, other drive, and CD-ROM as well. It will also show you the capacity of the drives as well. If you just click or browse on the option, it will tell you that how much space is there, how much space is free. Okay, you can see from here. Okay, the other option very important is that friend, this is the window. So you can see, you can minimize it, you can maximize it, and you can close it. Okay, if I click on that, it will close the window. If I minimize it, it will, like, see, it will minimize it. Okay, if I want to open or maximize it, you can see from here I can maximize the window as well. Then friend, if I open the local drive, this is my local drives, and you can see from here there are many files. This is the folder and this is the file. How I can know? This is just from the folder. This is the icon of folder, and this is the file. When I click on that file, it will open like that. Okay, it will open like that. So this is the folder option, this is the file option, and the other option, like this is the start button. This is very important. Whenever you want to open any software, you just click here on the start button. You can open and open any software. Like this is the Microsoft Word, this is the Microsoft Excel, this is the media player. So friend, by using the start button you can open any software like that. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.